One thing you could do to recycle is use your old paper and a paper shredder that are inexpensive, and you could use it pretty much outdoor for mulch, your own personal mulch, in any area you don't want grass to grow, and even in underneath traditional mulch, as you can see in this video here, those little pieces of grass growing in between all that new mulch, even though there's even new plastic down and everything. But paper makes good mulch around everything. That you can see how I started to get a lot of the mulch into the areas, but eventually it will snuff out all the grass and all the weeds in the area, and the weeds will be no more problem, especially in areas that love to grow those different types of weeds that just keep coming back. Like if you ever seen a list of different weeds, plants that just take over areas, and eventually within my irises and that, the weeds will pretty much be snuffed out, and they could grow and be more healthy and expand more and trap in the water in areas where you want the water to be, especially if you live in a warmer climate area where the water dries up quickly in the top surface of the soil, so it will keep the soil moist, and it will help your plant grow bigger and healthier, and pretty much just an all simple DIY you can do. So buy yourself a paper shredder and you'll be in business to pretty much make your own mulch.